My next project is automatic weather station. This is the Arduino USB port. This is the jack, voltage regulator, microcontroller, analog 6 pin analog pin, and 13 digital pin, push button. This is the DST11 sensor. It shows temperature and humidity simultaneously. This is the LCD 16:4 LCD. This is the jumper for use for positive 5 volt, and this is negative 5 volt. The whole concept is it shows automatically weather and temperature with humidity, and we use hot blower per temperature. So, and this is the 12 volt 1 ampere adapter. Let's start the project.
ये पतला वाला
As default, it shows the room temperature. Now room temperature is 25 and humidity is 51 percentage. So it shows winter season. When in winter season, humidity approximately reaches 25 degree percentage. That's why it shows winter season. Now we check using blower. It shows summer season. Temperature is 54 degree and humidity is 23%. Temperature reached the maximum temperature 60 degree and the humidity is 1 percentage. So summer season. Now it shows humidity. When we wipe with water, it shows humidity increases 16 degree, 16 percentage, 52 temperature. Humidity increases. Temperature decreases, humidity increases. Humidity increases 31, temperature is 43. Humidity increases and it shows winter season. Temperature is 41 degree centigrade. Temperature is 1 degree, humidity is 87 degree. It shows winter season. Temperature automatically changed, humidity also changed. Temperature shows 10 degree centigrade and 95 degree. Humidity is 95 degree. This was winter season. Now it shows rainy season. Temperature 29 degree, humidity is 23 degree. It shows rainy season. The all season it shows rainy, winter and summer. That's it. The project is end.